Welcome to Skills Exceed. Today, we're diving into the hidden features of pivot tables in Excel, the secret tools that can supercharge your data analysis. If you're ready to uncover these gems, stick around. Here we have a data set with sales records, including product names, regions, sales amounts, and dates. Let's explore how pivot tables can take this data to the next level. Feature 1. Show values as. Did you know you can display your data as percentages, rankings, or running totals? Right-click on any value, select Show Values As, and choose your preferred option. For example, let's change sales to display as a percentage of the grand total. This instantly shows each region's contribution to total sales, offering valuable insights. Feature 2. Grouping dates. Instead of analyzing daily data, you can group it by months, quarters, or years. Simply right-click any date, choose Group, and select the time interval and group by quarters. Now you can see that our data is grouped as quarters rather than individual dates. Feature 3. Drill down. Ever wondered what makes up a total in your pivot table? Double-click on any number, and Excel will create a new sheet with the underlying data. Double-click a total. This will show the new sheet, and now you can see what makes up a total. Feature 4. Slicers and timelines. Slicers and timelines make your pivot table interactive. Go to the Insert tab, add a slicer or timeline, and link it to your table. Now you can filter data dynamically. Use the slicer and timeline to filter data. These tools are perfect for dashboards and presentations, and you can see how easy we are able to filter our data based on slicers and timelines. Feature 5. Calculated fields. You can create custom metrics right within your pivot table. For example, let's calculate the profit margin. Click Analyze, then Fields, Items and Sets, and select Calculated Field. Enter this formula: profit margin equals sales amount multiplied by profit margin percentage divided by 100, and boom, a new column is added. This feature is a lifesaver for advanced analysis. And there you have it. 5 hidden features of pivot tables to transform your data analysis. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Skills Exceed for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next video.